Jake, you sound a bit different. No, I don't. I wonder what could go wrong today. Get up. No, it's comfortable. I wonder what could go wrong. Like, everything always goes wrong and... Yeehaw, have you guys got a place for me to hide? I'm on the run from the cops. What the hell's a cop? The police, in your words. Crud, he's here. We turned on one of you. Hello, it's me, Fuzzy Face. Has anyone seen an outlaw? What the hell happened to you? Why are you so squished? I don't know. There you go. That should be a bit better. But has anyone seen an outlaw? What's an outlaw? A cowboy. Say no. Okay, I've got you. Yes, he's right here! Dude! What the hell? Oh, crud! You cannot watch this scene because it is way too violent. Oh, Jesus, no! Why, God? Why me? Okay, thank you. Crud! Oh, not there. Ow! Okay, why was he in our bedroom? Oh, I have some news. What is it? You know your brother, Jay? Yeah? No! Well, we found him. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Your brother! Your brother! You just have to come and find him. That's not fair! I don't think there is any more toilet paper left. Oh my God! What the hell? Why are you watching me poo? I can fly! Oh! Hello! Jay! Yeah, hello! You're alive! Of course I'm alive! What happened? What do you mean what happened? Why is Jake so small? I mean, because he's only a kid? Okay, but the story of how I got you is kind of awkward. How's it awkward? Well, there was a fat pig on the toilet. He was having a turd, and I threw it through the window. He saw me, and I saw his bum, and he threw me here, and I started to fly. Okay. Watch, I'm gonna fly again. Fly, Jay, fly! I swear I could fly. God, are you okay? I'm fine. Just a bit. What? Am I voice? No! Just prank. Do you want to go prank some people? Yes! Yes! Yeah! Are you serious? I don't think so. He's still in the toilet. Okay, let's take his toilet paper. Hide it underneath the sink. Oh, okay, I'm done. Smells delicious. Oh, where's the toilet paper? Oh no. We are done with the toilet paper. We haven't done anything. Smell this. It's under the sink. Now I'm going to leave it for the next person to use. Ew! Get out of my bathroom and do not look at my big fat bum ever again, or you will be in the toilet. What an awesome prank! I know! My voice! But, did you see that? He didn't even flush the toilet. Ew! Look, here comes Red. Jake, hide. Pretend that you turned into Jay. Okay. This is gonna be so awesome. Pretend you're Jake. Okay. Hi, Jim. Hi. Jake? Jake? Jake! You're all grown up? Oh, I didn't even get to see you graduate. Oh, my Jakey poo. Jakey poo. I'm not comfortable with this. Jakey poo. I'm not comfortable. blanket. Ooh. Hello! Ah! We pranked him so bad! Yeah, no! You are now Bunk Choi's punching bag. No, please! No! Oh, what the hell is in my hair? It's a new hat! Why is there two of you? Did Bunk Choi do something that shouldn't have been done last night, or is Bunk Choi seeing double? Neither! Hi! Oh, get out of my hair! Yay! Bunk Choi dead! My hair. I need to look in the mirror, see how bad it is. Holy crap, it's bad. Why is there a person in the mirror? Oh, okay. But why is this so bad? My hair, my beautiful, beautiful hair. Ah! Bunk Choi cannot live without hair. Oh, God damn it, why Bunk Choi not dead? Wait a minute. My hair's back, and this beautiful lady likes Bunk Choi. Bunk Choi, not dog. But Bunk Choi's dead now. Oh my God! Cabbage! Are you okay? Ah! Ah! Oh. Ah! Ow! Zombie! Peace out. Respawning. 1, 2. Connection lost. Oh my God! I didn't mean for this to happen. Sorry about this. This is your brother, Jay. He just wanted to say hello. Okay, but that's so weird. I dreamt about him. It often happens in the plushy world. You dream about things when they are about to happen. Now, if you excuse me, I'll dream that my girlfriend is Dr. Nose. Maya he, Maya who, Maya ha. Maya ho ho. Oh! 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 My God, what a horrible nightmare. Maya he! Yes, great! Maya he! Maya ho! Maya ha! Maya ha ha! Oh, crap! I'm stuck in the bed! Now, this is eventful! So let's get you signed up as an actual bird. Okay, there we go! It's Jay! I'm a bird, I'm blue, and I like Pringles! There you go! Cheep, cheep, cheep. Cheep, 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 cheep. He said, thank you for coming to Bird Cooperation. See you next time. Okay, bye! 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 Cheep, 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 cheep. Cheep. Oh! Ooh! Cheep! Dad!